How to log in into your TD Bank US account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application TD US is already installed on a device. If not, head over to your app store and search for TD Bank. Head over to the specific application and then install it. Once the application has been installed on a device, open it. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this home page. Now, in order to log into your account, what you want to do is simply enter the username of your account and then enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password, what you want to do is tap on Need Help Login In. You have to follow the on-screen process in order to recover your password. Once you have recovered, enter all of your login credentials over here and then tap on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be successfully logged in to a specific account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your TD Bank US. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.